Good morning mga kabike-bike. Sabado na naman at araw ng ating pag-bike-bike at pagpunta sa isa na namang magandang biking destination. Ito ang Balacbac Nature Spring sa may Bamban Tarlac. Pero bago kami makarating, may mga di inaasahang mga adventures sa aming pagpapadyak. Halika't samahan mo kami sa magandang adventure na ito.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Ang daan palabas ng Barangay Batson at mula doon ay medyo kabisado na namin ang
The hard honest work from the sweat off our brows. Hail Mary on a Friday night underneath the lights. Whole town comes alive, meeting up at the Dairy Queen after the game. Everybody's getting high. Let me tell you why. 'Cause I've been baptized down in the river with a smoking one and a cold beer in the other. Doing life as simple as I can. Mud on my boots, bubble holding in my pants. Live by a code where you never ever leave the dirt road. Country to the bone.
Nakarating kami sa isang lugar kung tawagin ay Qoungo. Ayaw dun sa katutubo na aming nakausap. At dito bumungad sa amin ang isang napakagandang tanawin kung saan makikita mo ang palibot ng kapaligiran.
Take a drive into town. Drop it down into four-wheel drive. Say your goodbyes. Turn it up, it's time to fly. American flag flipping in the wind as my tires spin. Let the fun begin. 'Cause I've been baptized down in the river with a smoking one and a cold beer in the other. Doing life as simple as I can. Mud on my boots, bubble holding in my pants. Live by a code where you never ever leave the dirt road. Country to the bone. Yeah. Yeah, you might want to turn it up right here. 'Cause I've been baptized down in the river with a smoking one and a cold beer in the other. Doing life.
At dahil yung Qoungo sa palagay namin ay ang pinakamataas sa lugar na yon, ay puro matatarik at mababatong daan ang aming tinahak. May bikeable naman pero yung iba talagang medyo di kinaya.
Country to the country to the country to the bone. Country to the bone. I've been hurt before, let down a time or two. I've stayed broken down longer than I care to admit to.
I told myself never again would I give.
Sa wakas, nakarating din kami dun sa kantong papuntang Balacbac. At dun sa Balacbac Nature Spring, dun kami magre-relax at magpapahinga bago kami umuwi.
Made all my fears fall to the floor. My heart flew out my chest, and the past got put to rest. Got lost in your every move. I felt like me when I let you in. So it begins. That day you smiled at me, smiled back and said hello. We talked non-stop for hours, almost like I met you.